Welcome back, everybody. Changed my setup, and yeah, we'll see how we like it. Move my monitor to my other desk and clear off the other one. But yeah, we got a Tuesday ahead of us today. No news, and let's see what we can have happen today. Move my mic closer. All right. Let's mark out our levels. Alright. So, my bias for today. I'm still unsure. I thought we had an SMT, but maybe not. I guess we're above these highs on NQ and not ES. I guess that. Could be something. We are in like an order block here on the 15-minute. Sort of feel like we look for longs. Still unsure where price wants to go on the daily. Like, we have broken structure, but I don't know. See what we can have happen. NQ just took out London high. This could be a good chance to go short. Sort of reminds me of my trade like 2 videos ago. The one that passed the eval. Where one was going up, one index was going up, one index was going down. One took out the high and then it just tumbled. So maybe we look for an entry here. We are only 5 minutes into open, so can be a little patient, but no clear framework to work off of. I don't know how I feel about the camera angle, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see after I post the video, I guess. So NQ is just pushing higher. what are we targeting on MQ? And we have this draw, which we might take out. We probably will take out. ES still below a lot of lows, or a lot of highs. So this is interesting. MQ is taking out this high time frame draw. So that could be the start of an SMT forming. Try to get some structure forming. If I were to take shorts, it'd be on ES. If I were to take longs, I mean, I'd want to see like one of these draws taken out, one of these highs or lows. But we'll just wait for something here. These are big candles. Not even taking out, not even grabbing liquidity anywhere, just straight ripping. Interesting. Is there any place we target? Like, not really. See where we rip to. What would I want to see price to do for us to take a short? Well, I don't know. I feel like we've taken a good amount of liquidity. Like, I don't think we're going to target here. Yes, is still below all these low or all these highs. Let the market do its thing for a bit. some gaps. There's a gap that we're cutting through on ES. So I just want to stay patient. If NQ like respects this gap and like ES, I don't know, takes out this or takes out this, then it could be a good entry for long. I guess we have a good like bearish case too, because like ES still below these lows, NQ still above them, so could be looking bearish. If we like clearly inverse this gap, I might rip short. Not closing below the gap still. We are spending a lot of time in this bullish gap, so see if it ends up getting inversed, I guess. of this gap. I was gonna enter short, but we don't have a break of structure. Did inverse the gap, but still hard to say what price wants to do. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like we might take out either here or here before we continue higher if we do go higher. So that's why I want to take shorts. In Q, respecting these gaps though. ES looks like it wants to vomit.
Order filled.
I want to move this a break even like as soon as possible. I feel like we at least sweep these lows if we continue higher. Like, there's no way we just go up. But maybe.
Order filled.
All right. So that first trade entered once we were pushing past down this fair value gap. Came back into this one, immediately got rejected. Stop didn't have to be at break even, like it could have been premature. But I don't know, we'll see how we respect these gaps now. We have gap here. I mean, I could re-enter, but it's less clear if we're just sweeping this or we're targeting this. If we respect this gap and close below it, I might re-enter. If we inverse it, I might look for longs. We'll see. I respect this gap. This is sort of a make or break candle, I guess.
Order filled.
We're still respecting this gap on NQ. Yeah, I don't love this.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I think I'm gonna call it off the charts. I was dialed in. I'm probably just gonna cut to like about now. But yeah, I took a loss today. I think I'm okay with that. Let's see. So I entered off respecting this fair value gap. I thought we were gonna target this liquidity. Turns out we didn't need it to push higher. NQ is respecting this gap, 5-minute gap. Just grabbed like market open lows and then pushed higher, which, I mean, sure, I guess. Market did its thing and I got it wrong. So I almost re-entered here off of inversing this gap, but I don't know, I didn't have the heart to take it. Thing is, like, taking longs really isn't in my strategy right now, or like for today. Like, we didn't grab any downside liquidity to push higher, but we did, so that was that. At this point, I'd probably just rally higher, but I'm not gonna enter. But yeah, those were the trades today. So I took this. I took, I think, another short somewhere in here that broke even. Like 2 break evens, the loss. So yeah, it is what it is. You'll have losses. I'm not too worried about it. I'm just gonna stop it there. I think 3 trades a day is fine. Bad day is not a bad week. There's always tomorrow. So if we inverse this gap, becomes curious as to whether we take out these lows. I do just want to stick around for a bit. I will likely cut to the end of the video. If I don't take a trade, I'll cut to the execution if I do take a trade. So I'll be back. Alright, not looking like I'm going to take another trade. So thank you all for watching. I was like looking back at it, and basically on this short that I took, if I just stayed patient, like wait 2 minutes, you would see that there's a clear inversion. Probably enter off this candle, I don't know, target here and be happy with it. But yeah, I guess once again I learned that I need to be more patient. In this case, hard to say what I should do about like my stop losses and take profit, but anyways, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one.